Now to get started downloading VirtualBox, you'll want to go to virtualbox.org. It is an open source project maintained by Oracle. It used to be maintained by Sun, but when Oracle purchased Sun, they purchased all of the IP related to Sun, so it's now an Oracle project. So you'll go to virtualbox.org and we'll click on Download VirtualBox. You'll notice that it's going to ask you what host you are. The host is the operating system you are running natively. Because I'm on Windows 10, I'm going to choose Windows Hosts. And it's going to start downloading the file down below. There is a user manual that you can check out, and you can also find it, the source code and build it by source if you really wanted to. I'm just going to pause for a minute. And with that, we now have VirtualBox ready to be installed. So I'm going to begin the installation process. Depending on your computer, this could be a very quick process or it could be pretty slow. I'm going to just leave it as it is. Hit next. It's okay, you can just leave all of those by defaults if you want. Hit next. Now it is going to warn you that we are going to disconnect your network interfaces when it first installs. That's because it has to do some bindings into the host operating system networking interfaces, which means if you have something downloading, if you're playing an online game, if you have something going over the internet, it's going to get disconnected temporarily. So I'm going to hit yes, and I'm going to go ahead and hit install. We're going to update everything. It's going to copy in those new files. You can see it's going pretty fast here. But again, I'm going to pause just until the end. If you see any of these warnings, we're going to hit OK. And now at the end, we're just going to hit start, and I'm going to hit finish just to make sure that everything comes up. And you can see that we've now got the VirtualBox installation running. It's going to ask if we want to use the VirtualBox extension pack. I'm going to go ahead and hit yes, because that's going to improve the performance dramatically. You will want to read the license if you are using the extension pack in a commercial environment, because there are some rules around that. But for our purposes, we're just going to be installing it for educational use. So I'm going to go ahead, because I had VirtualBox installed previously. It's asking me if I want to upgrade. I said yes. You can kind of just fly through all of this. Delete the downloaded file, and we are good to go.